421. Let's go inside. Hi, buddy. Where are we? We're in a new room, and this is probably going to be the shortest room tour we have ever done. We are checking into the Riviera, and we are staying in the smallest room on property with the most excellent view. Check this out. So we're in a tower studio here at the Riviera. As you can see, this is the room. And where's the bed? Aha. Well, this couch here, Murphy bed. This is gonna pull down. And we'll show you that a little bit later on when we set it up for bedtime. But right now, we'll show you the rest of the room, right? We'll show you the rest of the room. And we're gonna also let you know this is a DVC resort. It is not pet friendly. You have to be a service dog to be able to stay here. Regular pets are not allowed, only service dogs. That being said, let's continue with the room tour. So over here, this is our door right when we walked in. So over here to the left, you have your microwave, and also in the storage up here in your cabinet, you have some dishes, silverware, toaster, soap, wine opener, can opener, towel, sponge, extra pillow and blanket up there, microwave down here, and then underneath the microwave, you have the little mini fridge. And right there, you see we got some Ernie's food in there already, chilling away. They do not have a freezer, so if you have anything that needs to be frozen, Bell Services can take care of that for you. They'll hold it for you, no problem. We got an ice bucket, 2 glasses, several shelves for storage. Light over here, I'm assuming for the light on the bed, but we'll pull that out when it's time later on. Room occupied sign. Couple of deep drawers here for storage in case you want to unpack. That's nice. And also, I think these, if I'm not mistaken, I feel like these flip over. Maybe? Hang on. Okay, here we go. So we flip those upside down, and then it does make a table. So you can have your little snack or drink here on the stools while you're sitting on the couch, and you're all set to go. Anyways, let's go over here to the other side of the bed, and you have your Keurig with your coffees and all your accompaniments. A couple of more drawers for storage. Yeah. Nice chair and desk with your phone. Another little light switch and a couple of USBs hiding back there in case you need to charge anything. And also, this is a new feature. First time we've seen this in a room. This is Hey Disney, and we're gonna find out how that works. I believe it's like the Amazon version of things that I won't say in case that activates whatever this is. I don't know. First time using it. We don't have that other automated AI service at our house, so we'll figure this out, let you know. And then there's another storage up there. Got a curtain here with Mickey. Am I seeing hidden Mickeys? Perhaps. Perhaps. Maybe. Maybe. Some hidden Mickeys in the curtains. Awesome. And the view out of this window is fantastic. Look at that little Skyliner view. Fountain on the water. Beautiful. And then we'll come out over here onto our little balcony. And check this out, guys. Spaceship Earth. What? Spaceship Earth, Epcot, right there. So guess what we can see from our balcony? Fireworks. We can see Luminous, the brand new Epcot show, from right here on our balcony. Look at that. That is going to be killer. I can't wait. Look at that. Spaceship Earth right there. Holy moly. That is going to be so cool to watch fireworks tonight. I'm so excited. It's going to be at 9:30, so stay tuned for that footage. And then we've got our big screen TV here. Looks nice. Doesn't say our name, just says guest. But hey, we still enjoy the little welcome. Got our recycling bin down there for our trash. Little hotel guide right here, take you into the magic with the remote control for the TV. We've got a full-length mirror back over here by the door. You can check yourself out, make sure you look cute before you go out into the park. All our luggage is currently hiding over there by the door as well. Didn't want that in the video. Okay, now we're gonna go in here to the bathroom and look at this amazing shower. Look how gigantic it is. It's so big. I love it. Look at this, with not one, but 2 shower heads. Fancy. Wow. Got your little rope there to hang your swimsuits. Connects over there to that. A little shelf here to put your shampoos and things if you need. And also the H2O Plus products right there mounted to the wall. And a little seat. Little bench here in the shower. Very nice. Very nice. Love it. Love it. Huge shower. Wow. And got some towel racks over here. And then over here to the left, you have the closet. So, got hangers. A couple of shelves here for storage with your laundry detergent. Luggage rack. Laundry basket. Safe. And your steamer up here by the extra pillow and blanket. Very nice. Turning around, coming back over here. Got more towels and a beautiful vanity sink. Gorgeous. Lots of counter space like that. Got your storage under here as well. Drawers. Lots of space. Under the sink, you have the hairdryer. Yeah. And up here top, all of your H2O Plus products, bath soap, and a very good makeup mirror. Nice. All right, so we are here for 2 nights. Gonna be great. Like it a lot. Super excited to watch the fireworks tonight from our balcony. Oh my gosh, look at this. Aristocrats artwork. So cute. Oh my gosh. All right, so this is great. Very excited. Can't wait. 2 nights, Riviera Resort. Oh, hidden Mickey on the balcony. Hidden Mickey on the balcony. What? Very cool. Okay, so we're gonna unpack our stuff and get settled in. Okay, now we pulled the bed down so you can see it. Looks really comfortable. It's got a real mattress on it. So it's not one of those mini mattresses that you would get with a regular pull down. That's a legit mattress. And it just pulls right on top of the couch. Couch folds down, as you can see under there, right there. And you've got lovely Peter Pan artwork up here on the wall to send you off to dreamland. So cool. All right, oh, also, I want to mention, let me see if I can get back over here. Little plugs and a little cubby. A little cubby right here. And 2 USBs and 2 regular plugs on each side. There's one over there as well. So that's cool. You got your little cubby for your charging needs. Set your cell phone right in there. You're all set. All right, we're gonna fold this back up because it does kind of take up the entire room. And yeah, it's looking awesome.